Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes from Cointelegraph and Zimbabwe's central bank to issue a gold-backed digital currency. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe plans to introduce a gold-backed digital currency as legal tender in a bid to stabilize its local currency. Now, I feel this is going to be a trend. We're going to start seeing a lot more as CBDCs roll out, more stable coins coming out in the country. But is this going to be, we're going back to a gold-backed system, and yeah, we're seeing it in the news articles that we get. So here we go. Let's go over this one. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe is set to introduce a gold-backed digital currency to serve as legal tender in the country. The move is a government initiative to stabilize the local currency from continued depreciation against the US dollar. Now, according to a report from local media outlet, the Sunday Mail, the move will allow small amounts of Zimbabwean dollars to be exchanged for digital gold tokens, enabling more Zimbabweans to hedge against currency volatility. Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor John Mangunya said that the plan intends to leave no one and no place behind. Zimbabwe's currency trades at 1001 ZWL against $1, but it's typically exchanged for 1750 ZWL on the streets of Harare, the country's capital. According to Bloomberg, the country's annual consumer price inflation reached a one-year low in March at 87.6%, down from 92% in February. Now, according to Manguya, the exchange rate in the parallel market is expected to stabilize after tobacco farmers receive their US dollar payments in the coming weeks. He said that the current exchange rate volatility has been caused by expectations of increased foreign currency supply on the market due to the tobacco season. Now, the monetary dysfunction in Zimbabwe and lack of changes have led to businesses printing their own money, often on handwritten scraps of paper, so that users can pay for future purchases, according to a Wall Street Journal report from March. Now, Zimbabwe has been fighting against currency volatility and inflation for over a decade. In 2009, the country adopted the US dollar as its currency after an episode of hyperinflation. In 2019, the Zimbabwean dollar was reintroduced in an effort to revive the country's struggling economy. Last year, the government decided to use the US dollar again in a bid to curb surging prices in the country. Now, crypto adoption has grown in many African countries as a result of the economic challenges. According to chain analysis, the Middle East and North Africa is the fastest growing region for crypto adoption, thanks to cross-border remittances with over $566 billion in crypto transactions between July of 2021 to June of 2022, which is up 48% from the previous year. So it keeps increasing. Crypto keeps getting adopted and just used more and more as we move away from the dollar. And yeah, so Zimbabwe tried to reintroduce the US dollar, but it looks like it's not working. So that tells you a little bit more signs there too. But yeah, so that's Zimbabwe's central bank to issue a gold-backed digital currency now. And we'll see how that goes. If you guys enjoyed this article, don't forget to hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.